how to pin a message in WhatsApp group. Good day, folks. Welcome to the channel. If you'd like to pin a message in one of the groups that you've got in WhatsApp right over here, as you can see, and you can do it just by going and following these steps. So as you can see over here, there is a Mark's Platters. You can see that this one over here is a group because the icon or the profile picture is two people instead of just the one. You're going to tap on that, and right over here you can see there's the conversation. Now let's say perhaps we want to pin this message, and right over here we have long pressed it and it has been highlighted. Now, I'll give you a few emoji reactions, but we're going to go to the top of the page. There's three dots. You're going to tap on that. Now you're going to tap on pin, and there we go. That message has been pinned. You can pin it for 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days, and that's fantastic. The next thing I would like to say is, if you have a version of WhatsApp that doesn't allow this, you can go ahead, hold down one of those messages just as the same as you did before, and you can see that there is a pin option. However, if there's no pin option, you can hit the three dots again, and you can go ahead and tap on label message. Now once you tap on label message, there are a few labels over here that you can use, but you can also tap on the top new label, and you can go ahead and say pinned message, and that will basically allow you to know that these are pinned messages. You can just hit the green check icon over there and you can save, and that has now been labeled as a pinned message, and you can see that the little purple icon is right next to that message, which means it is part of that labeled group, pinned messages. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like, and we will see you in another awesome video. Cheers for now.